Hello friends, I've come up with another video that is, and all of you welcome back to my channel. So my topic of today's discussion is, what are the benefits of live interaction? Why do we prefer live interactions? Live interactions are very much favorable to the therapists, to the counselors, to the psychiatrists, to the uh, coaches who help human beings develop their personality and grow within their life emotionally, mentally, psychologically. So the benefit of interaction is that when you talk to someone face to face, that gives you a different prospect of life. You get to understand with people, and this is also applicable when you talk to various people. You get to know about their life, how they dealt with their problems, or what things they have learned in your life and you can exchange your own experiences, your opinions, your ideas with them. So interaction has its own importance. Whereas when you read something from Google or from book, you get the knowledge. You just get to know about that particular topic or that particular question you have asked in the space bar, and you have got the answer exactly. But when you interact with persons, you get to know lots of various things which no book can give you, no reference can give you. It's only when you do interact and discuss. This is a benefit of discussion with people, discussing with people. So it's a very important thing that every leader or every person should do on various aspects of life. When you interact, you get to know lots of many things. You get to know about that person's view on particular something which you are trying to know. So interaction is very important. It is a very unique process to know someone, to understand someone, to make people work for in an organization, to understand their behavior, to understand their mindsets. So interaction has played really a great role, because through this interaction you can understand the person, how they think, how they feel, or from what perspective they are giving certain opinions, if they are giving anything. So interacting is pretty much important. Without this, nothing can be done in life. Or if you are working in some organization, you need to interact with your co-workers, your subordinates. This is very much vital. When you interact with the person, you get to know each other face to face. Through books, through various other mediums, that is not very easy, because you don't know how the person is, from who is on the other side of your camera or other side of your computer. So you have to meet that personally. This personal meeting gives lots of experiences that you gain. You get the vibes out of that person, that how the person is, what he feels about life, what he feels about certain tasks, or what he feels about you. So benefit of interaction has been very much abundant. Hence, it's very preferable, and I would recommend everyone, whatever you do, if you are trying to deal with someone, if you are trying to build relationships with someone, or if you are trying to get some work from someone, try to interact with them, because this is very important thing. You instruct the person and the person is doing the work. If it's finished then and there, so it is a process. But when you want to get some good result from the work, you have to interact with your person, with your co-worker or with your subordinate, to understand from what prospect that person has done this, or what was his idea, how did they think, or why they did this. So these were some of the benefits of interaction that I could suggest you, and I have suggested, that I have experienced in my life. So friends, I hope this was helpful to you. You try to understand these points and comment me down if something else you know about this particular live interactions. So thank you friends, how it can be benefit you and how it can help you in your life.